we're going to be changing out from a tile blow-off valve to a Gfb blow-off valve. The tile is recirculating only. The Gfb is a partial recirculating and partial atmospheric. So we should get a ton more noise out of it, which is exciting because I'm definitely jealous as full Ford Focuses. Focus ST running around. Psh. Tyler rolling up next to me. Psh. Now I'll be able to do it back to him. And supposedly it still runs pretty good. So we're going to test out their product and see how she does. Okay. And this tile is pretty much the go-to for most Evo owners. It's extremely quiet, but they're very, very good, and obviously it's very beautiful. And this is our new Gfb. So there is a spring preload adjustment there, and then this collar right here you can turn, and that changes how much atmospheric you get and how much recirculation you get. And you can actually see it move through there. Okay guys, so our Gfb came with a wrong orientation, or at least one that doesn't look so pretty. So we want to move this to be facing towards where this hose is coming from. So we took out the 4 screws here, okay? When you go to take out the last one, be very careful because the spring's pushing up on it, okay? So be putting pressure downward and then slowly allow it to lift up and then rotate to the proper area and put it back down. And I would strongly recommend tightening the screw nearly all the way, so when the spring's pushing against it, you don't have to worry about it pulling the threads out. And I'll probably be calling dressupboltkits.com tomorrow to order some dress up bolts for that, because it will piss Kyle off.
Although it looks good.
It does. It's a pretty good looking valve, really. I mean, I like their logo, the font. Just has like a, I don't know, Linkin Park or Limp Bizkit 90s cool music look to it. I don't know, I dig it. Okay, so now we're going to adjust the spring preload. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make it flush. And then we're going to set it to 3 millimeters. We're going to start by just turning it 1, 2 and a half rotations. Now this is a 5 millimeter, so we're going to go till it's just above half. We'll go just a little bit further. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now you want to start the car up and let it idle, make sure your AC is off.
Okay, so with the engine at operating temperature, you're gonna set the recirc to atmospheric adjustment to 50%, okay? To do that, completely clockwise is full recirculation, okay? This adjustment will turn about 180 degrees. So 90 degrees is gonna be 50-50. See, there's 180. So about 90 degrees. Okay? But it says, give the engine a good hard rev, watch the piston, keep your face away from the trumpet. The piston should lift and vent with a whoosh, which it does, then close slowly and smoothly. The harder you stab the throttle, the further the piston will open. It will only open fully when driving, as the turbo does not generate boost until the engine is under load. If the piston stays open too long and does not close before the revs drop back to idle, the engine will stumble. If this happens, wind the adjustment screw in the plus direction 1 turn at a time until the engine returns smoothly to idle after revving.
Alright, after a couple days of driving with the GFB blow-off valve, I'm extremely happy with it. There were a few adjustments that had to be made while I drove it home, but they give you a Allen wrench to make that adjustment, and I was just able to make small adjustments until I was extremely happy with it. I love the noise. I've had no drivability issues, which is just unthought of before. So I'm extremely happy with it, and I'm going to go take the car out and we'll see if we can't get a little bit of noise out of it, so that way you can know what it's like to experience it. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Don't forget to check out GFB and all their products. Don't forget, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments of this video. Throw us that thumbs up, hit that subscribe icon, and don't forget your notification bell.